Welcome back to Trend Cars, where legendary names, modern power, and future-ready design come together in one place. If you love classic muscle cars reborn with cutting-edge technology and attitude, you're in the right place. Today's video is something truly special because we're talking about a forgotten icon making a bold and aggressive comeback, the 2026 Ford Torino Cobra. The Ford Torino Cobra has always been a symbol of raw American muscle, straight-line speed, and fearless design. Back in the late 1960s and early 1970s, the Torino Cobra was built to dominate the streets and the drag strip, and now Ford is bringing that same spirit into the modern era. The 2026 Ford Torino Cobra is not just a retro revival, it's a complete reimagining of what a muscle car should be in today's world. From the moment you look at it, the Torino Cobra commands attention. The design blends classic muscle car proportions with modern aerodynamics. You get a long, sculpted hood, a wide and aggressive stance, and sharp body lines that give the car a powerful road presence. The front end features a bold grille with a modern interpretation of the classic Torino styling, flanked by slim LED headlights that look mean and focused. The Cobra badging is subtle but confident, reminding everyone that this car is built for performance. Moving to the side, the 2026 Torino Cobra sits low and wide with large alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires. The flared wheel arches add muscle to the overall look, while the fastbow-style roofline gives it a sleek and modern profile. At the rear, LED taillights stretch across the width of the car, paired with a sporty diffuser and quad exhaust tips that hint at the power hiding underneath the hood. Now let's talk about what really matters in a car like this: performance. The 2026 Ford Torino Cobra is expected to come with multiple powertrain options, but the highlight is the high-performance V8 engine. Ford is rumored to offer a supercharged 5.2-liter V8, pushing out well over 700 horsepower. That kind of power puts the Torino Cobra directly in competition with modern muscle legends like the Mustang Shelby and Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a performance-tuned automatic transmission, with a manual option expected for purists who want full control. Acceleration is brutal, with 0 to 60 times estimated to be under 4 seconds. The exhaust note is deep, loud, and unapologetically aggressive, exactly how a Torino Cobra should sound. This is a car built to deliver adrenaline every time you press the throttle. Handling has also been a major focus for Ford. Unlike classic muscle cars that were all about straight-line speed, the 2026 Torino Cobra is designed to handle corners with confidence. It features an advanced suspension setup, adaptive dampers, and a performance-tuned chassis that keeps the car planted at high speeds. Massive performance brakes ensure strong stopping power, making this car just as capable on a track as it is on the highway. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find a perfect balance between retro inspiration and modern luxury. The interior design pays homage to the classic Torino with simple, driver-focused elements, while still offering all the technology you'd expect from a 2026 performance car. The seats are sporty and supportive, wrapped in premium leather and suede, with Cobra branding stitched into the headrests. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized to show performance data, navigation, or classic-style gauges. A large touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, offering smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice control. Despite its muscle car attitude, the Torino Cobra doesn't compromise on comfort. You get dual-zone climate control, a premium sound system, and plenty of driver assistive features to make daily driving easy and safe. Ford has also focused on making the Torino Cobra practical enough for real-world use. There's decent trunk space, comfortable seating for long drives, and a smooth ride mode for city driving. Switch it into sport or track mode and the car transforms into a loud, aggressive performance machine ready to dominate the road. What makes the 2026 Ford Torino Cobra truly special is its emotional appeal. This isn't just another fast car, it's a tribute to Ford's muscle car heritage. It brings back a name that many enthusiasts thought was gone forever, and reintroduces it to a new generation of car lovers. The Torino Cobra represents freedom, power, and the thrill of driving. Values that are becoming rare in a world moving toward electrification. While pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, the 2026 Ford Torino Cobra is expected to sit in the premium muscle car segment. It won't be cheap, but for what it offers in terms of performance, design, and heritage, it promises to be worth every dollar for true enthusiasts. In the end, the 2026 Ford Torino Cobra is more than just a comeback, it's a statement. It proves that classic muscle cars still have a place in the modern automotive world, as long as they evolve without losing their soul. With its aggressive design, massive power, modern technology, and legendary name, the Torino Cobra is ready to reclaim its place on the streets. If you're a fan of American muscle and love seeing iconic cars return stronger than ever, the 2026 Ford Torino Cobra is definitely one to watch. Let us know in the comments what you think about this legendary comeback. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trend Cars for more exciting car stories just like this.